Just build an awesome website and you want it to rank number 1 on Google, Bing, and other search engines? Great! No matter if you have a beautiful rendered website or a stunning portfolio, you won't get very far if you're lacking sufficient search engine optimization. The thing is, Google, Yahoo, and Bing are extremely objective when it comes down to things like sitemaps, tags, and keywords, just to name a few. Understanding the terminology isn't really that important, but understanding how to improve your search engine optimization is. These 10 simple SEO tricks and tweaks, which I have personally used and obtained great results from, will help you rank well in Google, Bing, and other search engines and get your site seen. I am Bobe Nkwain Chiambah, founder and CEO of Chillen Media Inc., where we leverage the power of media and technology to empower you. If you want people to discover your website, search engine optimization or SEO is a must. SEO is a blanket term for the process that webmasters use to boost their site's chances of ranking well in search engines such as Bing and Google. Whether your site is running on a shared, VPS, or dedicated server, you should leverage search engine optimization so that your site appears on the first result page after someone keys a term into a search engine. The following search engine optimization tips won't guarantee superb results placement, but they are essential for helping search engines and people, by extension, find your site. If you are working to increase your website's SEO, these key 10 tips will help you in achieving higher rankings. Tip number 1, conduct keyword research. Search engine optimization, SEO, operates on keywords. These keywords help to determine when your site will appear when people conduct searches on search engines like Google. You want to choose the right keywords so you appear in the right search results. To figure out the right keywords for your campaign, you will need to conduct keyword research. There are a number of keyword research tools you can use to find the right keyword for your campaign, such as Keyword Planner, which is a free Google AdWords tool. It helps business owners find targeted and relevant keywords to improve website rankings. As you conduct keyword research, you want to focus on long-tail keywords. These are keywords that contain 3 or more words. An example of a long-tail keyword is electricians in Cameroon. Long-tail keywords are better options for your business than short-tail keywords, which only contain 1 or 2 words. This will be something like electrician, which only contain 1 or 2 words. Short-tail keywords are very generic and don't specifically tell you what a user is seeking. With a keyword like electricians, users could be looking for a definition of the work, looking at a career as an electrician, or looking for a local electrician. This keyword is really vague to really draw a qualified traffic to your site. Therefore, long-tail keywords are better. Long-tail keywords are specific keywords that your audience is using to find a business like yours. They use long-tail phrases so they can generate a list of websites that fit their query best. If someone is searching for electricians in Cameroon, you know they want to find a local electrician. They aren't looking for careers or looking for electricians from another country. These types of long-tail keywords drive traffic that is credible and searching for a business like yours. By choosing the right keyword, you will see a better results in your campaign. Tip number 2, mobile optimization. A good user experience on your website confirms that your user can find it with ease. It is essential for marketers to know how important it is to make your website mobile friendly. A mobile friendly website surely helps with ranking. SEMrush confirms that by 2025, approximately 73% of internet users will access internet through mobile devices. Mobile-friendly updates by Google results is a significant change in website rankings. Have a look on how effective your mobile-friendly website is by using Google free mobile-friendly test. Also take a peek at the mobile usability report in the Google Search Console. Tip number 3, speed is king. Google has publicly announced page speed as a ranking factor. Users hate waiting for slow loading pages. If your site takes too long to load, they will leave your site and choose a competitor site. This will increase your bounce rate. If you have a higher bounce rate, it won't help you improve your SEO ranking. You need to ensure that your page loads quickly so you can keep leads from bouncing back to the search results. You have 2 options to analyze your page's speed. You can use Google Page Speed Insights to check out your site and see how it performs. If you use Page Speed Insights, you will need to take the suggestions and implement them yourself. The second option is to use Page Speed Services for digital marketing company. This enables you to reap the benefits of improving your page's speed while being able to take care of your business. To provide a better user experience and keep leads engaged, you need to improve your site speed. Tip number 4, create attractive page titles and headlines. A page title and headline are similar but distinct ways to name the same website page. The former is a keyword-centric title designed to appease the search engine gods, while the latter is designed to please people who click through the page. For example, 2021 Honda Civic Review is a tight SEO-friendly title that only appears in search results. After all, page titles are written for Bing and Google love. 10 reasons why the 2021 Civic is Honda's best car is a great on-page headline that encourages shares and returning readers. That is good SEO too. Of course, pages and headlines can have the same titles. Experiment to see which method works best. As a precaution, make sure your page title and headline accurately describe what is on the page. Don't name a page 2021 Honda Civic Review if the content doesn't reflect that. That is lying to the reader, which Google and search engine frowns upon. You will lose trust, authority, and SEO rank. Tip number 5, building quality links. Suppose a marketer aims to focus on a successful long-term SEO strategy. Building quality links cannot be neglected. In 2016, Google declared that building quality links is one of their top 3 ranking signals. Backlinks are a crucial part of SEO. These are links that your business obtains from other credible sites. When you post valuable information on your site, credible sites may link to that content on their own site. This guides their visitors to your page. Backlinks are vital for your SEO plan because they boost trust and authority of your website. If Google sees that a credible site is linking to your site, they trust that your site is valuable and credible. They will boost your website's ranking so you can reach more leads. One of the best ways to earn backlinks is through content creation. We will discuss the importance of content creation to your SEO ranking. But regarding backlinks, it is a great way to get authority sites to link to your page. You can ask them to check out your content, and if they like it, they will use it on their own page. It is a great way to build a relationship with an authorized company. You can continually share your content with them, and they can choose to link with it on their site. It will help boost your website's SEO ranking, which will generate more valuable traffic to your site. To help improve your website SEO rankings, you need to earn backlinks. Always opt for quality over quantity, as building quality links to your content can give your product and category pages a boost in SEO. Let me share a few effective strategies, as it will increase the number of links pointing to your website dramatically. Gain backlinks from website and authoritative web pages. Promote your content regularly on social media. Opt for guest blogging and influencer marketing. Leverage social media platforms. Reach out to your target audience through online forums. Attract your target audience by offering them valuable content. Tip number 6, write unique and relevant meta description for every page. One of the most important SEO tips that most people neglect is the well-crafted meta description. The meta description is the first section that people see when Google serves your page to search users. Generally, the search engine giants doesn't like duplicate content. Yes, there are times when there is a need to cite a paragraph or a sentence from another site. But if publishing duplicate content becomes your way of life, you will find it nearly impossible to become a long-term success. In the same vein, duplicate meta description could get you into trouble. But even if you don't get penalized straight away, you are still not providing a great user experience. You can have the same meta description for a page that talks about email marketing. There is a big difference in those topics, and your meta description should communicate that fact. If you are a WordPress user, you can fix duplicate meta description by installing an all-in-one SEO pack or use plugins. Then in your WordPress editor, scroll down to the bottom of the page and add a unique title, tag, and meta description. Tip number 7. Create quality content on consistent basis. Content quality factors into SEO too. For example, a blog about car engines needs to answer questions or illuminate niche topics. Rather than rambling on about engines, it is best to go in-depth with information-packed articles such as the 5 fundamentals of transmission repairs or things you might not know about carburetor cleaning. In addition, you need to update your website consistently, whether that is in the form of new articles, ads, or products. Visitors want a reason to return to your site or share your content on Facebook, ConnectYu, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Search engine spiders are eager to check out fresh content too. Establishing offsite links is necessary for building valuable authority. Search engines look for links to your site from other trusted sites, which include those aforementioned social media platforms or other high-traffic websites. If your site offers quality content that results in a link from the New York Times, search engines will see your site as noteworthy and boost its rank. You can make this happen artificially though. Know your stuff, put that knowledge front and center, present it clearly, and update your website on a regular basis. Assuming it is information that people crave, your site would eventually gain SEO traction. Tip number 8. Optimize your images. According to SEMrush, image optimization will play a prominent role in search. This means if the images on your website aren't optimized, make sure to optimize them. Remember to use high quality images, relevant images, and a suitable level for your image file. Include images to your sitemap as it becomes easier for spiders to crawl. Also, using alt tags will help crawlers to classify images easily. Note, when an image cannot load on a user screen, alt text is displayed on the web page. Google uses alt text to understand the context from images. A well-optimized image enhances your web page rank and user engagement. Also, image optimization can help your web page show up in image carousels on search engines. Tip number 9. Build momentum with social signals. Social media is an integral part of SEO strategy, and social signals are important. You are got to focus on increasing yours. It is true that Google hasn't added social signals into their ranking algorithm factors, but I've personally seen that social signals do impact search engine rankings. Don't believe me? Well, several case studies have proven the impact of social shares, likes, tweets, and pins on search engine rankings. If you want to get more social signals, the rules haven't changed. Here is the summary. Create useful content that is share-worthy across your social media platforms. Add share buttons to your post and make them visible. Encourage people to share by asking them to. Host a social media contest to get more shares. Mention and link to social media influencers and notify them. Social media is at your disposal. Use it and use it well. Tip number 10. Update your content. To successfully use content marketing, you will need to post often. You will accumulate many different blogs, videos, and other pieces of content. It is important that you keep this content current and updated. As time goes on, things can develop and change 20 years later or 1 year later. The important part is that you update your information to reflect the most current information. When you update your content, you have an opportunity to republish it with the new information. It is a great way to drive more organic traffic to your page and earn new leads. With the boost in traffic, you will improve your SEO ranking. You will also keep leads engaged on your website because you have the most current information. Many leads will come across pages that you wrote years ago. If the information on it is accurate for the time, you will keep your leads engaged on your page. When you update and republish your content, you increase your organic traffic and keep them engaged on your page. Search engine optimization (SEO) can feel like an overwhelming and constantly changing to-do list. But starting with these 10 tips will put you on the path to achieving top SEO rankings. Which other search engine optimization tips do you think are most crucial for improving search engine rankings? Let us know in the comments. If this video was helpful, please like, share, or subscribe for more other digital marketing tutorials. And I will see you in the next video.